Hello and welcome back to the Tru-Color Paint YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Martin Cohen. Today we're going to be painting TCP 1380 True Blue on chrome coat paper to produce color chips and a plastic spoon for marketing purposes. I'll be using a Vega 2000 siphon feed dual action airbrush, which I use for the majority of our painting. Alright, we're ready to paint the color chip with TCP 1380 True Blue. I've set the air compressor at 25 psi, and you'll notice that I'm going back and forth relatively slowly across the entire chrome coat paper, which is how we make our color chips. After we paint the color chip, going back and forth to make sure we have even coatings, I then go up and down with the paintbrush, also doing the edges to make sure that's uniform. We will cut these into 1-inch squares for mounting on our color chip book that we take with to shows and also demonstrate them at clinics. And we're finished painting the 1380 color chip, and we'll put it aside to dry. We'll pour more paint into the cup and get ready to paint. And now we're ready to paint the 1380 on the spoon. And just as we did on the chrome coat paper, we go gently back and forth across both sides of the spoon with the 1380. And we're spraying at 25 psi as I did before. We use the spoons for marketing purposes. I'll be taking pictures of them to post on Instagram and Facebook. And we return the residual of the 1380 back into the retain, and we are going to clean out the airbrush and cup using acetone, which is unscented nail polish remover. And we squirt the acetone into the cup and spray out the cleaning material through the airbrush, and the airbrush is ready for use again. And then we'll clean out the cup using a pipe cleaner and a Q-tip for the inside.